Just a few words before we continue this video. If you would like the video to be in colour, we can do that, because as you probably know, on the 1st of this month YouTube brought out their new control system for the thumbs up and thumbs down, wrong way, thumbs up and thumbs down arrangement. So if you just like to click on the thumbs up now, then your video will be in colour. You can do it now, just click on, it might still say like, if you're using an old browser like Mosaic or something, but basically it's the thumbs up. So yeah, that's it, just click on it, okay. Now we can continue. I just should mention, don't click on the thumbs down ever, because if you do, then basically, well, I'll show you. I've got the new controller, so if I just take over your computer for a moment, here we are, and that's what happens. The subtitles appear at the bottom of the screen. I'll just take that off. And once you've got those subtitles on the video, it doesn't matter what video you're watching, all the videos on YouTube, they'll stay there forever. You can't switch them off again unless you've got one of these, and you know, they're not so easy to obtain. So just bear that in mind on this video in particular. In fact, on all my videos, don't press that thumbs down. Okay, so sorry about that, but just thought it's important to note that new change in the control system, and we'll get back to the Buckaroo pinball machine. Buckaroo side rails just unwrapped, and they're not too bad at all actually. Very little, almost, well, no denting I can see. A bit dirty, some light scratches, but should be fine. Someone's left their mark behind. Unity. Hi. But according to our friends on Pinside, the length leg should be 31 inches for the Buckaroo. And these are all over the place. This is with the holes lined up. If I line up the tops, let's have a look at that. Okay, well, that's pretty much lined up. And okay, so we got 30 1/4 inches, 30 1/4 inches, 31 inches, and 31 1/4 inches. So if we have the two short ones at the front, and then accommodate the slight difference in the back ones using the leg levelers, I'm just about to order a new set of 4 leg levelers. These have obviously been red at some stage. The idea is to strip off the paint and try and polish up the metal underneath so it looks reasonable, rather than paint them. But if they don't look reasonable, then we've got the option of painting them either silver, or David quite likes red and so do I, so we'll have to decide. Red's wrong of course for the Buckaroo, but if that's what David wants, I don't mind. I like red. It's his game. We can make up the rules as we go along. Well, they've all been treated with paint remover and scraped, and I've also started to use the wire wheel to get rid of what's left. So a little way to go yet. One of them has this little attachment on the bottom. Perhaps the thread went in there and they've got these things. That's the only one. And it was quite a job to get the old leg leveler out of there, but I did manage it eventually. So carry on stripping those and polishing them up. We'll see if we can get back to the bare metal and make them look reasonable. They're clearly a mixture. This one has got a coating on it. That one hasn't got the same coating, and that one hasn't, but it's a rather different finish, so I'm not not sure we can get them all looking the same in their bare metal state without a huge amount of grinding to get this off, so they might have to be painted with direct to rust paint, I think. Hammerite, flat, silver or red. So I'll just check back with David and get on with that. This one's kind of interesting. You see those blobs? It's because it's got a plate on the back. So, don't know what happened there. That won't really show once the leg's on, well, once it's painted and on. Got some more paint stripper work on the back of that one first.